Hey guys, today I'm bringing to you the unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue I've ordered. I just got this today about an hour ago, so I'm going to start the unboxing now. So straight off, you'll notice the same sort of smaller box. It's about just over a finger worth of thickness there. Other than that, it's all black. And so the iPhone 12, you get it in a all white box, whereas the Pro one you get in a all black. So let's get this plastic removed. I really love what they've done with the plastic. As you guys can see, it's a clean cut, and it just comes off all together like that. There you go. All right, now let's get into the unboxing. There you have it. So that's the cutout and the camera cutout, and yes, it's quite thick and sturdy. That's the iPhone itself in Pacific Blue with the 3-lens camera. Now you'll notice the box is smaller because there's no charger. Everyone's talking about it, in case if you don't know, no headphones either. And it comes with a USB-C to Lightning cord. Other than that, you have one sticker, the tray opener, and some warranty paperwork in there. And that's it. Very light, nothing too exorbitant there. Alright guys, so let's have a look at the iPhone itself now that we've done the unboxing. So comes just with a paper / plastic kind of sticker that comes in the front, and it also tells you where all the buttons are. So the charger's down here, power button, the ringer switch, and the volume buttons. Now let's look at the phone itself. So nice and clean phone. And you'll notice straight off that the iPhone Pro has a stainless steel bezel, so a lot shinier, not the matte finish. And for some reason they've switched it around. So what they've done is, on the iPhone 12 you'll have a gloss back glass, and the sides will be matte. And yeah, so whereas here the sides are shiny and the camera cutout is shiny, whereas the back glass is gloss. And matte, I like the black, matte, because it helps with the grip a tiny bit. So I don't know, I would have liked to see that as gloss and this as gloss as well. So this is glossy and that's glossy, and the iPhone seeing that. Anyways, let's get into the camera. So the camera is basically the layout. The only difference between this and iPhone 11 Pro would be that. So the LiDAR sensor. Obviously there's other spec improvements and lenses and stuff like that that have been improved as well. But physically, there's a LiDAR sensor that'll help with autofocus about 6 times in the night. It'll be quicker. And yeah, so the buttons also, it's separate like that over here. There's SIM tray for the first time. It's gone on to the other side. So normally Apple had it here, then there, it was everywhere, but now it's on the left side for the first time. Other than that, it's basically the same. Yes, it's got that boxy iPhone 5 cutout now, but everything else is very familiar. Mic, speaker, and for the first time you can actually record in stereo as well. So that's it. Alright guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching.
Okay guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe, give it a like, and follow us on Patreon as well, and support us to see more content. Thank you. Bye.